You're listening to Ideo Software's Digitalization Network, a podcast created for those who are IT passionate and want to know all about the latest technology trends and innovative solutions. Join us on this fascinating journey through the world of digital transformation. If there's a resource that is helping managers with its multiple functionalities and tools to increase their efficiency and face the changes and challenges that online shopping implies, it's called AI. Why? Well, please allow me to tell you every detail that makes it the perfect ally for e-commerce managers. Let's start talking about personalization and recommendations. Personalizing the client's shopping experience, also known as CX, is just one of the key areas where artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in helping e-commerce managers. Thanks to its advanced learning algorithms, it can analyze customer behavioral information, preferences, and purchase history, and then provide personalized product and content recommendations. Some examples of AI functionalities that can increase conversion rates and customer loyalty are recommendation systems. These platforms use AI to analyze data on customer needs, behavior, and purchase history to generate personalized product recommendations that are relevant and appealing to the client. This increases conversions, average cart value, and customer loyalty. The next functionality on the list is customer segmentation, which means that AI can analyze demographic information, shopping behavior, preferences, and other aspects to perform more accurate customer segmentation, enabling e-commerce managers to create offers better tailored to meet the needs and expectations of specific groups, as well as more successful marketing campaigns. Another functionality is the dynamic personalized content. In addition to creating and offering content tailored to the customer based on the elements I just mentioned, AI also offers the possibility of generating personalized greetings, special offers, email campaigns, and much more. These elements make the customer feel taken into account and appreciated, which means a significant increase in their loyalty to the brand. Now, let's talk about customer service automation. AI not only improves the customer's shopping experience significantly, but also the customer service offered thanks to the help of chatbots and virtual assistants, because through these elements, e-commerce managers can solve customer queries immediately, track their orders, and provide timely support to solve several problems. Virtual assistants, for example, provide multilingual support and generate responses based on natural language analysis, also known as NLP. In other words, AI analyzes, understands, and generates text messages, personalized content, and even translations, all useful elements for the automatic processing of customer requests. But if you're still not convinced that AI is an essential element in increasing the efficiency of your e-commerce processes, allow me to tell you that its implementation also helps you reduce costs considerably. But, as we have already mentioned, there are many areas in which AI helps e-commerce managers, and another of them is intelligent data analysis. Its sophisticated learning algorithms are capable of analyzing large amounts of customer data, sales, market trends, merchandise retention, price volatility, and many other elements. This analysis enables better sales forecasting, price optimization, inventory management, and faster detection of new business opportunities. You must have heard that prevention is better than regret. Well, the sooner we detect a possible problem, the sooner we can solve it. In that sense, AI allows you to analyze the company's operating data to detect any anomaly more quickly. But, now that we mention it, what do you think are some examples of data analysis techniques used by AI? Let me answer that question. Machine learning is the primary technique for analyzing data using AI. It can be used for identifying patterns, data classification, prediction, regression, and other analytical tasks. Popular machine learning algorithms include decision trees, neural networks, and many others. Another technique is sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, which uses AI to analyze and interpret emotions and opinions expressed in text, such as customer reviews, feedback, or comments on social media. This can help understand brand and product reception and create better marketing campaigns. Finally, another relevant technique is fraud detection. By using artificial intelligence, large amounts of transactional data, customer behavior, and patterns can be analyzed to identify potential fraud cases. Machine learning algorithms can automatically detect suspicious patterns and signals, allowing quick response and minimizing losses. But the list doesn't end here. Process automation is a great incentive for e-learning managers. And yes, AI does indeed help automate operational processes, improving logistics, reducing costs, speeding up order processing times, and increasing operational efficiency in many areas. And if we talk about automation, we must mention how important it is to optimize delivery routes. In this sense, the sophisticated algorithms that AI has are of great help because they analyze elements such as customer location, road accessibility, traffic, and other elements, allowing you to select the best routes to reduce delivery times and costs that a possible late delivery could generate. But that's not all. Warehouse automation is possible thanks to AI-equipped robots that can scan, sort, and even move products from one place to another, improving warehouse management and processes such as sorting, packing, and labeling, speeding them up and minimizing possible human mistakes. However, AI not only helps in warehouse management and operations, but also in inventory management. The analysis of sales data, market trends, seasonality, and other factors made possible by AI allows e-commerce managers to optimize their inventory levels by avoiding overstocking or temporary product shortages. In addition, generating purchase orders or replenishment notifications is also possible. Now, let's talk about shipment tracking and monitoring. And yes, you got it right. AI is also an ally in this field because its algorithms allow shipments to be tracked in real time and with up-to-the-minute updated information, as it bases its results on data obtained from different sources such as GPS, transportation management systems, and logistics information. This allows customers to know exactly where their order is or if there's any possible delay in the scheduled delivery date. And while we're on the subject of possible delays and consequently possible product returns, AI certainly also helps to optimize these processes. The data it collects on the reasons for the return and the customer's history allows it to generate recommendations on the best handling of returned products. For example, whether to return them to stock, repair them, or put them back for resale. After all this information, you might be wondering how AI will influence the future of the e-commerce industry. Well, let me tell you that AI will play an even more important role in this industry, as more intelligent recommendation systems are expected to appear and facilitate automation and increase operational efficiency. Implementing AI in e-commerce opens up endless unexplored opportunities that will change how we buy and sell products. The current fast technology evolution isn't a mystery, but a reality. There are more and more tools dedicated to the development of e-commerce, and the appearance of others will continue to increase. In conclusion, we can say that the use of AI offers great and numerous benefits to e-commerce managers, from personalization to automation and data analysis. Thanks to its features, e-commerce professionals can increase the efficiency of their operations, optimize customer service, and lead marketplaces. Whether you're new to the industry or have already come a long way, it's worth exploring the fertile ground of AI in the e-commerce industry and making the most of it. Thank you for listening to Digitalization Network. If you want to continue this digital journey, please subscribe to our podcast and share it with your network. Remember, every subscription helps us create valuable content. See you in the next episode.